Everyone is talking about AI. It's everywhere. You see it on the news, you hear about it on podcasts. Your feed is probably flooded with so-called gurus telling you how AI will change the world. They scream you can become a millionaire overnight just by clicking a few buttons. They show flashy cars. They show big houses. The hype is deafening. Massive noise. Hard to know what's real and what's a sales pitch to take your money. Most of this is just talk, smoke, and mirrors. People are selling dreams, not practical advice. They promise the world but deliver confusion and an empty wallet. This bombardment makes it feel impossible to get started. You feel like you're already behind. You think the opportunity has passed. You think it's too complicated to understand. You're told you must be a tech genius or coding expert. That's the big lie. I'm here to cut through the noise. I've seen this pattern before. It happened with the internet. It happened with social media. Now it's happening with AI. New tech appears. Opportunists sell complexity. They make it sound harder than it is. They sell expensive courses. They sell useless software. They prey on your desire for a better life. They don't want you to know the simple truth. You can make money with these tools. You can start right now without being an expert. This isn't about becoming a millionaire by next Tuesday. It's about something real. Tangible side income, an extra few $100s a month, or even a few thousand. Build something that gives you a little more freedom, a little more security. I spent months testing 7 AI side hustles. I did the work, not just reading. I'll show you what worked, what didn't, and what actually made money. Here's my promise to you. Over the next 15 minutes, I'm going to give you a step-by-step plan. No fluff, no theory, no get-rich-quick nonsense. This is a practical, actionable blueprint based on my own experiments. I'll show you exactly how to start an AI side hustle that can put money in your pocket. This is the problem promise proof framework in action. Problem, the overwhelming AI hype. Promise, this clear, simple plan. Proof, the money I actually made, and the money you can make too. I'm going to lay it all out for you. We'll start by picking a simple AI side hustle that fits you. Low startup costs. A clear path to getting your first customer. Pick hustle, use free tools, get paid. Then I'll walk you through the exact tools and templates you need, mostly free ones. You don't need to spend a fortune to get started. This video is your guide, using a professional narrator with perfect English. Clean, catchy subtitles, so every step is crystal clear. All background music from the free YouTube audio library. Why? To prove a point, you can create high-quality professional content without a big budget. It's about being resourceful. It's about execution, not about having the most expensive gear or software. I want to remove every single excuse you might have for not starting. By the end, you'll have a complete plan. You'll know which hustle to choose. You'll know which tools to use. You'll know how to get your first paying client. My expectation for you is simple. Action. I'm giving you the playbook. I've done the hard work testing and failing, so you don't have to. Your job? Listen, learn, execute. Don't just watch and move on. Don't consume this passively. Take notes, make a decision, start building. The opportunity with AI is real. It rewards those who do the work, not those who just dream. Let's get to work. Before we dive into the specific hustles, we need a framework. We need a way to filter out the noise and focus on what actually works. I don't want you chasing shiny objects. I want you building something sustainable, even on a small scale. After testing 7 different ideas, I found that the ones that made money all shared 4 key characteristics. These are my 4 rules for picking a winning side hustle. Rule number 1, low startup cost. You shouldn't have to spend hundreds of dollars before you've even made a dime. Rule number 2 is a fast setup. Your time is valuable. You don't have weeks or months to develop a complex product or service. You should be able to go from idea to your first offering in a single weekend. It's about getting the ball rolling and building momentum from day one. Speed is your biggest advantage when you're just starting out. Rule number 3 is having a clear customer. Who are you selling to? If you can't answer this question in one sentence, your idea is too complicated. Everyone is not a customer. Small businesses is getting warmer, but it's still too broad. Struggling real estate agents who need more leads from social media. Now that's a clear customer. When you know exactly who you are serving, you know where to find them, what their pain points are, and how to speak their language. This laser focus makes marketing and selling 1,000 times easier. Finally, rule number 4, repeatable delivery. You need a process that you can execute over and over again. Your service can't be a unique masterpiece every single time. That's not a side hustle. That's a high-stress art project. You need to create a system, a template, a workflow. This is where AI becomes your superpower. It helps you standardize your output and deliver great results for your clients without you having to reinvent the wheel for every single order. These 4 rules, low cost, fast setup, clear customer, and repeatable delivery, are your compass for what comes next. The first hustle that passed all 4 tests with flying colors is AI-powered content creation. Specifically, creating short-form video scripts and content ideas for niche creators and small businesses. Every single business, every single creator is desperate for more content. They need ideas for TikToks, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, but they are often burned out, uninspired, or just too busy. This is a massive, painful problem you can solve for them using simple AI tools. It is a service that is in constant demand. The customer profile here is very clear. Life coaches who need motivational video scripts, local coffee shops that want engaging reels about daily specials, financial advisors who want to break down complex topics into simple 60-second videos. You're saving them time. You're curing their creative block. You're helping them stay relevant on social media, which directly impacts their bottom line. You are not just selling scripts, you are selling them peace of mind and the potential for growth. Setting this up is incredibly fast. You can create a simple 1-page PDF that outlines your packages. Package 1, 15 short-form video ideas with hooks, $50. Package 2, 5 fully written video scripts up to 60 seconds, $100. You can use free AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude. Your job is to curate, edit, refine the AI's output, adding your human touch to make it truly valuable. You don't need a fancy website. You can start selling the service on platforms like Fiverr or by directly messaging potential clients on Instagram. What about the money? This is a very realistic way to make your first few $100s. In my first month, focusing only on this service, I made $450. I landed 4 clients. 1 bought a package of 15 ideas. 3 others bought the 5-script package. This was with very minimal outreach. The key was a repeatable process. I created a prompt template for generating ideas. I created another template for writing scripts. This allowed me to deliver high-quality work in under an hour per client. It's a perfect entry-level hustle that meets all our criteria and has a clear path to real income. Another huge opportunity is the AI-powered resume and LinkedIn revamp service. Millions of people are looking for jobs or trying to advance their careers right now. They know they need a polished resume and a compelling LinkedIn profile. Most are terrible at writing about themselves. They don't know which keywords to use to get past automated screening software. They struggle to articulate their accomplishments effectively. A great resume can be the difference between getting an interview and being ignored completely. You can be the one to solve this problem for them. Your customer is anyone in the job market. But to be effective, you should niche down. Recent college graduates, career changers moving into the tech industry, mid-level marketing managers looking for their next promotion. The setup is straightforward. You'll use AI tools to do the heavy lifting. Feed a client's existing resume into an AI like ChatGPT. Rewrite using the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. Your role is to be the expert human editor. Take the AI output, refine the language, ensure the tone is right, and format it into a clean, professional template. In my first month offering this service, I earned $600. I charged $150 per client for a resume and LinkedIn package. That means I only needed 4 clients to hit that number. I found my first clients by posting on my own LinkedIn feed, offering to help a few people for a discounted beta rate to get testimonials. The demand was immediate. The third hustle that I found to be incredibly effective is creating and selling AI image packs for content creators, bloggers, and small businesses. Visuals are everything online. A great blog post needs a compelling featured image. A social media campaign needs a cohesive set of graphics. A YouTuber needs unique thumbnails. Many creators don't have the time or skill to create these images themselves, and stock photos can be generic and expensive. This is where you come in. Using AI image generators like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, you can create stunning, unique images tailored to specific niches. You can niche down to serve specific markets. Fantasy art packs for Dungeons and Dragons, YouTubers, aesthetic food packs for food bloggers, cyberpunk backgrounds for Twitch streamers. Get 50 unique, high-resolution, commercially licensed AI images for your niche for just $25. This is an absolute steal. The setup process is fun and creative. Master prompts to nail a specific style. Replicate that style and generate hundreds of images in a single afternoon. Curate the best ones, light edit or upscale with a free tool, and bundle into a zip file. Sell on Etsy, sell on Gumroad. The platform handles payment and digital delivery. Passive income model. Create once, sell many times. I made 3 image packs in month 1. Listed on Gumroad, promoted on Reddit and Twitter, I made $325 from passive sales that month. The beauty of this is that the work is front-loaded. It can continue making you money for months or even years. Alright, let's get into the nuts and bolts. Ideas are great, but execution is what gets you paid. But I'm not going to tell you to go out and spend $1,000 on fancy software. That's not the game we're playing. We are starting lean. We are starting smart. The goal here is to use free or very low-cost tools to get your side hustle off the ground and profitable from day one. For text-based hustles like content creation and resume writing, your #1 tool is going to be a large language model. ChatGPT's free version, GPT 3.5, is a workhorse. It's fast, creative, and perfect for generating initial drafts, brainstorming ideas, and rewriting copy. Another incredible option is Claude. Its free tier often has a larger context window, which is perfect for analyzing a whole resume at once. For the AI image pack hustle, you need an image generator. The king here is Midjourney, but it requires a paid subscription. So, let's start free. Leonardo AI is the absolute best free alternative. It gives you a generous number of free credits every single day, which is more than enough to generate your first few packs. Another one to look at is Microsoft Designer Image Creator, which uses DALL-E 3 for free. Beyond the core AI, you need a few other free tools in your arsenal. Canva is non-negotiable. Creating your service menu, formatting resumes, designing cover images for your image packs. It's a powerhouse. For organization, a simple Google Sheet is all you need. Track your clients, track your prompts, track your earnings, and for delivering your files, Google Drive or Dropbox. Your entire tech stack, your entire business infrastructure can be built for literally $0. No more excuses.